Here. Now again I am Kunna from Kunna's Horizon. I am here to tell you something about the triangles. In the last videos I told you, I have given you the properties of the triangles, in which I told you that the sum of the interior angles is equal to 180 degree. Now this is not just told, but it is proved. So now I am going to prove you geometrically that the sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Before that, before starting the lesson, again I want to request you that go through the videos nicely from the starting till the ending and try to understand the lesson. If you have understood, then well and good. If you haven't understood, give your comments in the comment box. I will clear your doubt again in the very similar video afterwards. But always remember to give your views, share and likes. Views, shares and likes. Always remember to give your views, share and like. Share the video as much persons you know, as much groups you know, and to all the students among your friends who are reading in class 6 to class 10. All of you need this lesson, and if you will share, you will definitely learn something from this video. So above all, never forget to subscribe it. Subscription makes the channel powerful, so that you can get more and more videos, and it will encourage me to improvise the videos and it will put in front of you through the channel, and by which you can understand. So let's start. The sum of the interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So see here, this is a triangle. ABC is a triangle. A, B and C is a triangle. Now I have to prove that RTP, that angle, it has three interior angles. This angle and this angle. So it has three angles. Now this is equal to ABC. I will prove you ABC plus ACB plus BAC angles is equal to 180 degree. Is equal to 180 degree. So this is the requirement to prove. For that, a simple construction is needed. So what is the construction? So for that, I have to extend the BC till D and draw a line parallel to AC, BD and BE. So draw a line parallel to BE. So construction is extend the line BC CB till D, and the second is draw a line parallel to AC. Draw a line in BE parallel to AC. BE parallel to AC. Now see what I have to prove. That is, now proof is, I am starting the proof. All of you try to understand. See here, this line is parallel to this line. AC is parallel to BE. Now this angle will be equal to this angle, because these two angles are corresponding angles. Else, that means EBD, angle EBD is equal to angle ACB, because the BAC is parallel to, because AC is parallel to BE, so they are corresponding. So they are corresponding. Next one is angle. Again see here, AC is parallel to EB. So see here, a Z is formed by CABE. Z is formed. So this angle will be equal to this angle because Z is formed and this is alternate. So the angle BAC is equal to angle BAC is equal to angle EBA. Because AC is parallel to BE. And so they are alternate. So they are alternate. Now see here, again I am telling you angle DBE plus angle EBA plus angle ABC is equal to 180 degree because it is a straight angle, because this is equal to DBC and it is a straight angle. So the value of straight angle is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, it is a straight angle. Angle DBC. Now put the values. See here, angle DBE is equal to ACB plus angle EBA is equal to BAC. I have proved here BAC plus angle ABC, that is the angle of the triangle. Is equal to, I can write 180 degree. So see here, DBE is equal to ACB. I have proved here DBE is equal to ACB DBE is equal to ACB. Similarly, EBA is equal to BAC. So I have written here, in place of EBA, I have written here BAC. And here ABC is as it is. Now see here, ACB is the number 1 angle and number BAC is the angle number 2, and then ABC is the angle number 3. So the sum of the 3 angles of the triangle is equal to 180 degree. Therefore we can write sum of the interior angle of the triangle is equal to 180 degree. So this is proved. So all of you might have understood this one. So go through the videos nicely and try to understand it. If you cannot understand, then give the comments in the comment box. I will react to it. I will 100% react to it. So leave your comments so that I can react to it. Always remember to subscribe the channel, and view it from the starting to the ending. Then only you can understand that full topic. And then all of you share the videos, as much friends you have and as much groups you have. This will make the video viral, and these videos will help you to learn by hearing. Free learning by hearing, only hearing. You don't have to do anything. Just hear it and look at the video. You can understand everything. So always remember to subscribe, give your views, give your shares to as many persons, as many students, as many friends you have, so that the videos can rise and can be improvised in each time. In each time, all the videos that will come to you will be in an improvised manner. So in the very next video, now after some time, I am going to upload another proof on this triangle, that is the exterior angles. Sum of the exterior angles is equal to sum of the two opposite interior angles. Exterior angles is equal to sum of the two opposite interior angles. I am going to prove it, and it will be uploaded. But go through the videos nicely. Go through the videos nicely. Thank you.